This topic is certainly a departure from the norm. It's all about a revolutionary idea that could change how we fuel our flights, and it's a little, shall we say, unconventional. We're talking about turning human waste into aviation fuel. Yes, you heard that correctly. Firefly Green Fuels, a pioneer in sustainable energy solutions, claims they've found a way to transform our waste into a cleaner, greener fuel for planes. Imagine that. Our very own biological contributions not only serving a purpose on the ground but also propelling us through the skies. This innovative approach could significantly reduce carbon emissions from aviation, making our travels kinder to the environment. And let's face it, it's a resource we're never going to run out of. Now that's what we call thinking outside the toilet bowl. Just imagine fossil-free flying powered by, well, our own biological contributions. It might sound like a wild idea, but let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how this is made possible. Firefly Green Fuels has developed an intriguing process that begins with the collection of human waste. This waste is then transformed into a thick, almost sinister-looking black substance that bears a striking resemblance to crude oil. But of course, this is just the beginning of the journey. This crude-like substance then undergoes a meticulous distillation process. During this phase, gases are carefully extracted at specific temperatures. Each gas has a unique role to play in the creation of our eco-friendly aviation fuel. Finally, these gases are recombined in a precise manner to form a clear liquid. This liquid is not just any liquid, but a game-changing eco-friendly aviation fuel. And just like that, our humble human waste is turned into a fuel that's ready for takeoff. The resulting product is then recombined to form a clear liquid ready for takeoff. I had the chance to speak with James Hygate, the CEO of Firefly Green Fuels. A visionary committed to revolutionizing aviation, Hygate shed light on the fascinating science behind turning waste into fuel. He shared that the process is energy-intensive, but the benefits far outweigh the costs. We're talking about a massive reduction in carbon emissions, up to 90% less than conventional jet fuel. Hygate also provided some intriguing figures. Picture this. The annual waste of just 10,000 people could power a transatlantic flight from New York to London. That's an astonishing 467,000 kilograms of waste put to good use. And if you're worried about a shortage of this raw material, Hygate assures us there's plenty to go around. After all, we humans are nothing if not regular contributors. It's a remarkable solution to two pressing issues: sustainable air travel and waste management. Talk about a massive load of potential. So, what's next for this groundbreaking idea? Well, Firefly Green Fuels is not resting on its laurels. They're in the process of raising funds to build a large-scale demo factory right in the heart of the United Kingdom. The British Ministry of Transport has already shown its support by contributing a substantial €2.3 million. The potential impact on the European requirement of sustainable fuels is noteworthy. The European Union has set a target that at least 6% of all fuels must be sustainable by the year 2030. With this innovative solution, we could be well on our way to achieving, if not surpassing, that goal. The future of aviation, it seems, is becoming more sustainable with each passing day. And our toilets are playing a surprisingly significant role in this transformation. It seems the future of aviation might be more connected to our toilets than we thought. Buckle up, folks.